So the SAT practice test 5, that is what we are going to start today. So again we have module 1, reading and writing, 33 questions. And first question, let us read now. The following text is from the 1913 story The King's Coin by Emily Pauline Johnson, a Kanienkahagen Mohawk writer also known as Tekahionwake. Foxfoot, a young Ojibwe man, is guiding a group of fur traders who are traveling by canoe and suspects that they are being followed. At supper time, Foxfoot would allow no fire to be built, no landing to be made, no trace of their passing to be left. They ate canned meat and marmalade, drank again of the stream and pushed on until just at dusk they reached the edge of a long still lake with shores of granite and dense fir forest. As used in the text, what does the word trace most nearly mean? Is it A, evidence, B, blemish, C, amount, or D, sketch? So which do you think? So if you said A, very good, that's the correct answer. That's the best answer, because the text indicates that Foxfoot doesn't let the group build a fire or create a canoe landing when it's time for supper. That means they suspect that they are being followed, so they are taking some precautions. The Foxfoot is not allowing them to light a fire or make any landing. No trace means no evidence should be left. So Foxfoot doesn't want there to be any trace or evidence of the group's movements when they are passing by through that area. And B is incorrect. B, blemish. This is incorrect because Foxfoot doesn't want the group to be detected. Not that he doesn't want their presence to create a blemish or a spoiling flaw. So blemish would mean like a flaw. This text is not talking about that. In the area, human activity could disturb a natural environment, but the context emphasizes that Foxfoot is instead focused on avoiding giving any sign of the group's movement through a place where they are passing to anyone who might be following them. He doesn't want to leave any evidence. And C, amount. This is incorrect because the text focuses on Foxfoot's desire to avoid detection by those who might be following the group. This context conveys that Foxfoot doesn't want to create any signs or evidence of the group moving through a place, not that he doesn't want to leave behind some quantity of their presence. It is not even clear what an amount of a group's movement would be. So in this case, it doesn't make sense to say that no amount of their passing to be left. That doesn't make any sense in this situation. And sketch. So D is also incorrect because nothing in the text suggests that the group has a sketch or rough drawing of their movements through that area that they are leaving behind. So rather the context emphasizes that Foxfoot is basically he's focusing on ensuring that the group doesn't give any kind of indication of their presence, as he wants to avoid detection by anyone who might be following the group. So evidence, he doesn't want to leave any evidence and they don't want to be caught.